Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we have the Seagate Backup Slim 1TB HDD, and this is an external hard drive that you can use to back up your files from your laptop just in case something happens to it, and this is a safer option. So you can either choose two ways to back up your data. This is an external hard disk, which means it's physical and you can store your files in here, or you can use iCloud, which is mostly a web version, and what that does is it saves it in the cloud so that you can access it from other devices. The main reason people want to go over this against iCloud or like against any other cloud-based formats is because of the monthly fee that you have to pay for them. This is a one-time fee of purchase fee that you have to pay for the HDD you want. You can choose between multiple storage options, but for the cloud you have to pay a monthly subscription to buy that. So we have the 1TB version right here, and you can get this in the 256GB, 512GB, 1TB, and all the way up to 4TB of storage. And this here is a cheap but affordable and value for the money option for HDD. There are two types of external storages that you can buy. There's an SSD and an HDD, and the difference between them is that an SSD is much faster, and the problem is that it's more expensive for the same amount of storage. An HDD may not be able to transfer speeds that fast, but you can get a lot more storage for a lot cheaper. The one we have here is for $49.99. I will have a link to the HDD in the description below, so you can go check it down there. And let's get started. Okay, so here is where we have the HDD box. As you can see, it says Backup Slim Plus on here, and it's by Seagate, 1TB. And on the back, you have some of the features here, and there's not much to say about an HDD as it's fairly simple and easy to use, but this works on Windows and Mac, meaning it's compatible with many devices. So let's get started on opening the actual product. Pulling it off the top and sliding it out is where you can get the actual HDD yourself. So putting the box to the side, let's concentrate on this for now. You have the paper pamphlets that come underneath the plastic covering. Here you have some sort of subscription paperwork. And here you have the quick start guide. So here you have all the information on how to set this up and the compatibility with the USB. So this works on USB 3.0 and 2.0, which is fairly common, so meaning it can work with a lot of other devices. To start off with the unpackaging process, you just have to pull off the cover from the bottom. It folds out like that, and you can take the HDD itself out of the box. It comes in this plastic wrap here, and underneath the HDD you have this cable that you can use for transferring your files. So HDD usually have their own special cable that you have to use. So here you can see that they match, and this is the cable you need to be careful and not lose so that you can transfer files. So putting everything to the side, let's open up this HDD. And here it is. So on the outside, if you can hear it, it's made from plastic, but it's slightly brushed. And the back is also from plastic. We have this bottom part here, which says Seagate Backup Slim Plus. You have the ID and all those icons. It says 1TB right there. And that's about it. On the front, you have this little LED light that turns on when you connect it to your laptop. So now we can start off with the setup process for the HDD. Okay, so once you are done with unboxing your HDD, you can come in here and go to your E drive at the left side, Backup Plus E drive. And here we have 3 different files here: warranty, start guide, and start your Mac. So you can either use Windows if you are on Windows and the Mac one if you're on Mac. So for Mac, it's a little bit harder. You have all these files here that you have to, I believe, use to set it up. I'm not exactly sure for Mac, but for Windows, if you're on Windows, then you're lucky because it's really easy for you. All you have to do is double click on their Start Here windows, it opens up this app for like a split second, but then it opens up Register Your Product. So once it opens that up, all you have to do is click your first name in, your last name in, and your email address. Once you do that, you just click these two boxes, Terms and Conditions and Privacy Statement, click Register, and any of this after that, those three steps are all not mandatory, those are up to you, but this is the only thing you actually have to do. Also, here's your warranty PDF, and this is where you can go through your limited warranty that comes with the device, and it covers what the warranty covers and all, and you can get that in multiple languages. So now going into the transfer speed, I'm just gonna take one of these. Let's see, view by details and sort by their number. Okay, so we're gonna take these two files and go to YouTube channel. Let's go. So this is like a really big video that I had, and you can see here that it is fairly big. It's about 3.9 gigabytes. We're gonna take that, copy that MP4 file, and put it in here. So you can see that the download, the speed for transferring is about 28.3 megabytes per second. Like I said, it's about 30 megabytes per second. It depends on your laptop, obviously, and your HDD. I'm on USB 3.0, the fastest one that the hard disk covers, so that's good. And about for a 4 gigabyte file, it's taking about 2 minutes, which is not much, I would say. As you can see, it's already 21% done. So that's it for the transfer speed and all that you have in this folder and how to set it up. So thanks for watching today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.